If you are looking to replace your toilet seat fittings, please ensure you have the correct fitting for your toilet. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the fitting caps. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the fittings. Remove the seat. Once you have removed the seat, remove the screw plugs, then clean down the area. Insert the new screw plugs by pushing them in until flush with the toilet. Line the toilet seat up with the screw holes over the plugs. Once in position, using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws. Ensure the toilet seat is straight before tightening fully. Then reattach the caps.